Come test drive the 2019 Pathfinder. The Pathfinder has a premium interior with 3 rows of seating for up to 7 passengers, as well as versatile seating and cargo configurations. This SUV appeals to both truck lovers and car lovers and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power lift gate, brake assist, fog lights, 4-wheel disc brakes, navigation system, heated steering wheel, low tire pressure warning, tachometer. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.